Promising po yung trailer, nakakatakot. Ano po yung
Wow!
kakaiba sa...
Pang ano lang ba? Yung wow! Yung maganda-ganda mo ba? Yung pagka yung ganit na kulit para mapupoto. Makulit talaga.
Ano
Hindi
po yung...
ano lang ba? Kasi pang
Ano po yung kakaiba sa folk horror nito?
easy ka muna. Kakaiba.
Ito.
Joke lang. Hindi, you know, it is horror, diba? Folk horror. Pero, it's really a story of mothers. And the power of Mother Earth and nature. It's a story of who really owns the land. Diba? So, just making sure na wala kayong makikita hindi dapat makita. Gusto po nating maging trending, not that natin. Sinek ko lang po. Bale, it's really, ginamit lang yung horror as a way to tell a story of, ang lalim niya actually. Who really owns land? Who really owns? Is it the one who's holding the title? Is it the one na nag-aalaga ng isang lugar? Or is there a bigger thing we need to address, diba? Like, who really owns it? Pag iniisip mo, diba? Mapaisip ka, diba? Ikaw marami ka lupa. Isip, sino mo nag-mayari talaga lupa? Parang, diba? Or do you own it? Or are you really just taking care of it for the next generation? I think these are the things that we discuss when we tell the story of the caretakers.
Just coming off of what Lisa was saying, I came from a conference, club conference, where sina brother go, and he was saying, very interesting to me, kasi syempre, we're into real estate, my husband and I, not big, but basically,
Pero gusto ko may,
not big, pero kasi basically, doon na pupunta yung ipon namin, alam ni Ate Rose, no? Doon na pupunta yung ipon namin magkasawa. So, nung present sa akin kung kwento na hindi siya malayo sa mga, the way I think about land, the way I see land, the way I see how it can nurture you, nourish you, but also could destroy you, no? So, ako, parang nung nakita ko yan, parang isip ko, oo nga, kahit ikaw may-ari ng property, ikaw may titulo, ikaw na talaga ang may-ari nun at a much bigger picture. And sinabi nga ni Brother Paul that we are just merely property managers. Na over time, ang mangyayari, pag binenta mo yung angko sa'yo, ikaw na may-ari niya, but technically, ibibenta mo rin sa iba. So, at the end of the day, sino may-ari talaga ng mga lupain, ng tahanan, ng space na yun. And so, with this horror film, what we really wanted to do was not just, to tell the story na horror, but also something that is underlying every story. Maganda lang kasi sa film natin ngayon sa Pilipinas, and I've seen it all throughout the time na nag-tour ako for IMB, Center Operation Academy, na nag-evolve na tayo. Ang isang kwento ay hindi na lang tungkol sa isang kwento. Sometimes the kwento na maririnig mo will lead to something that is much bigger than all of us. And hopefully with this film, yun na ang matranscend sa mga manunood.
First movie niyo po ba ito?
Yes! Sana hindi last. First movie namin is together, and I'm so excited for everybody to be able to see this kasi lagi kami yung hindi na nakatrabaho together dahil kadalasan yung roles na na-offer sa aming dalawa ay medyo pareho.
O sa teleserye, never pa kayo.
pero yung sa atin, guesting.
Yes.
Yeah, the name of the show, sorry, it was under Dreamscape, and then she played the young Susan Roses, and then I was the young Pilar Pilar. Yeah.
So, how was it working with each other? Pareho kayo mahusay na actress natin ngayon.
Thank you. Atin, sobrang nakakatuwa. Ano talaga, yung parang na-expect naman ako magiging masaya yung set namin. Hindi ko lang na-expect na gano'n kasaya. Ang sarap kasi ng pakiramdam na kapag nanay ka, di ba? Sabi nila, pag nagtatrabaho ka, release mo yun. Doon ka talaga nakakapagpahinga pag nagtatrabaho ka. When you are a working mom, and I'm sure a lot will relate.
Actually,
diba?
mas marami ka pang nagagawa pag wala ka sa bahay.
Isipin mo na lang, kaya alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi na iba talagang pagsundo ko sa mga full-time homemakers and full-time moms. Kasi ako mismo, parang kinakailangan ko magtrabaho every now and then, every after giving birth and taking care of my children. Kasi doon ako medyo nakakahinga pag nagtatrabaho. So going back to the question kung paano yung pagtatrabaho namin, naging masarap na paghinga ko sa akin na nakatrabaho si Iza. I was at the time when I was doing, of course, teleserye Sunod-Sunod. I did High Street while I was doing Good Morning Kapatid at a much later time, no? Pero nung shoot namin to, it was already at 5:30 in the morning, which I still do. Pag today, doon din ako galing kanina. Gusto ko yung trabaho ko sa lifestyle show namin na Good Morning Kapatid because I finish at 8 a.m. So anything I do after that is really a very intentional choice. Ibig sabihin, kailangan kong gustuhin yung tatrabahuin ko para puntahan ko. Hindi naging mahirap itong decision na ito because it was Iza, of course. And even the staff and crew, parang pamilya ko na ng mga ito. Dahil kami-kami lang din naman ang mga nandito. So it was a very, very good experience at the Rose. It was one for the books only because I feel there are so many firsts in this movie. No? Maraming mga unang pagkakataon na ma-experience sa mga manonood na makikita lang din nila ngayon. Wow.
Thank you, Dimples. To address your question, Rose, I had a lot of fun. Like what Dimples said, getting to know Dimples more. Kasi,
And Papa B too.
and Papa B as well.
Ano na to si
My
B?
brother. Oo. Tropa Pigs.
Parang sila pa nga yung mas oo. Kasi ang healthy kasi ng food ni Isa. Sorry na, bilhin mo yung food ni Isa talaga. Sobrang healthy. Lord,
Hindi ka-
talaga
Oo
sabi ko.
naman.
So si Papa B, mas healthy kasi siya sabi mo, siya yung nakakakain. No?
Grabe
Uy,
ka
pero
naman.
na-enjoy ko yung kamote chips.
Oo.
Masarap yung kamote chips.
Pero bangkaan kami lahat sa
Oo.
tema.
Ang saya!
Pati nga si Mike, di ba?
Yes,
Hindi
Mike
yung
also.
makeup artist ko na talagang kababata ako na lagi ko talagang everywhere, like my BFF, ganyan. Huh? Hindi talagang magaan kasi kwentuhan lang and talagang I love kasi connecting with people. I love learning also from people. And there is so much to learn from Dimples. As a mother, as a businesswoman, as a marketing specialist, parang, alam mo parang I admire you on so many levels. Yung parang hindi talagang what you have now is, it's clearly a product of hard work and smart work. Kasi, di ba? So, yeah. And then, so parang, apart from that, on set, hindi ka mag-iisip na, Diyos ko yung eksena ko, walang energy. Hindi, wala yun. Hindi, dami din.
Bakit
energy.
Isa?
Meron ba?
Meron.
Oo, nagkulang nga. Hindi, pareho kaming lahat taas ng energy. But at the same time, you know, when the work is there, you know na parang may masasandalan ka. May ka-eksena kang that is dependable. You know, part of my work is already done because I know she's going to do her work really well. And then part of that is knowing na when I got to work with her na, okay, she's not in this too. Mararamdaman mo na naman yan pag gustong magpabiga ng kasama mo. Yung gano'n. Pero hindi gano'n yung parang nagbigayan. So it was a very good dance on set. And then, as she said, production, ako, sabihin ko lang, first set ko na may craft service.
Oo.
Sorry, I forgot to mention that sa iba nating mga shoot.
Spoiled kami dito.
Not just for us, para po sa buong production, sa staff, sa crew. Libre po ang kape, may cookies, tsaka fruits.
Fruits healthy.
Oo,
ang
at lahat po
pag-aalaga.
kami, iisa nang pupunta kayo lahat doon. So, at any given point in time, pwede akong pumunta doon or si Dimples, kasama ko pwedeng taga-crew, pwede kami mag-usap doon. And this is the only time I've ever experienced this was when I worked on The Echo in Canada, which was a SAG film. Which, you know, the remake of Sigaw. So parang I've always loved that concept na mayroong isang lugar kung saan lahat tayo magkakasama, pwede tayo magchikahan or magganyan, buga, hinga, ganyan. At alaga tayo in the same way. So I really love that. And then efficient working staff, crew, producers who were prepared. I love a good prepared production because a lot of the things naman kasi lack of preparation
Yeah.
din naman, di ba?
Oo.
So, I mean, we finished this in 8 days. How do you do that?
Yeah.
How do you do that in a horror setting?
Totoo.
How do you do that? Sabi ko nga, believe ako. Believe ako.
At dami pa nating delays nun kasi
Oo,
may ulan
may
ka
ulan,
pa.
may ganyan. Kami kung hindi kami, baka natapos namin 7.5.
Ano
Di
ba
ba?
May Bulacan tayo.
3 hours away.
Oo.
Kaya,
Talagang galing. At saka may I add, no, is, can I say that we are zero waste
Zero
Philippines.
waste, yes.
Walang kalat to pag umalis kami doon.
Oo.
Vanessa, we brought our own tumblers, we brought our own things.
yes, and everything was, kasi they really tried to be the first zero waste
Yeah.
production. And have we succeed? We did succeed in being the
Yes.
first zero waste production. Nothing was packaged meal. Everything was buffet,
Plated.
plated. So, maganda rin.
Yun
Kung paano
na.
kayo pinapakita yun sa movie na kumbaga, you really have to take her, sa mother nature will take it, ano.
Apakahusay talaga ni Ate
Iba.
Rose.
Natumbok mo.
Galing
Oo.
talaga. Pero totoo naman, di ba? In all things, dapat naman hindi lang kapag kinakailangan natin gawin. But really, what we want to inspire for people to do is really just do this on a day-to-day basis. Maging parte ito ng pagkatao mo.
Curious ako, sorry. Isa,
Time's up na daw. Charot din.
since hindi ko nila ganito kasi
Madali.
since Dimple is a mom of 3 na medyo expert na sa kanya, medyo, naging pa medyo pa rin. Ano yung mga naging take away mo sa kanya? As a new mom pa rin naman.
No. Kasi nga, I think one of the things you shared is every child is different. So kailangan mong timplahin yung parenting style mo with every child. And that goes to, that is also applicable to, that's why she cannot be the best mom to my child because this child is my child.
Yeah.
But I guess if you put her in Dimple's house and under her care, at some point she will get to know my child. So that's a different story. But right now, you are the best mom to your child because you know your child best. And that applies with every child pa pala. Yung, kasi actually, like I said, I have a 21-year-old. Pero hindi kasi ako full-time mom nun eh. So first time ko tong makita ng 21-year-old brother that I'm kind of like a mother to. Pero yung simula baby, first time ko to ma-experience. Yung talagang, and because I have my brother who's 21, I am already learning. Because you learn from mistakes. Unfortunately, that's why panganay ginipig, di ba? Halos yun. Ma-apply mo na, okay, what could I have done better? And because the gap is so wide, now I'm learning because now he is able to tell me how I could have been better. Which, apart from stuff na alam ko na kung saan ako nagkamali along the way, he's also able to tell me na, ito sa ganito. So, na-apply ko na rin sa kay Dea. But anyway, going back to Dimples and what I've learned from her, basta ako gusto sana, kasi galing nito sa business. Kasi ang galing talaga eh.
Pag kinakailangan ka talaga isa, gagaling ka talaga.
Oo.
Kailangan mo talaga mataas sa tuition fee.
Hindi, ba't ako nangangailangan? Pipili pa rin talaga ako ng mga nanatasan eh. Advocacy work pa rin eh. So, ay, tawag siya ng puso ko. So wala naman, there's no right or wrong, it is really your call. Just honoring where life takes you. Basta nagturuan mo ko sa business ha.
Last question.
Gives tips.
Yes. Ano po na-discover din yung sa isa't isa while doing the film?
Na ako siguro, si Eva is very authentic. No? I know this already from before, which really, she really walks the talk. Meron kasi siyang, diba, she has this, she talks, she's part of it. And I guess on the more entrepreneurial business side. I always look at people and I'm inspired by them. I always like to pick their brains, and I always get to meet a lot of people who are actually doing very well in business and in what they are passionate about. And this is not always the case, no? May mga tao na mahusay silang magsalita, pero hindi sila mahusay sa gawa. But Isa is a double threat because she can do
Double threat.
yeah, no, she can do both. She can walk the talk, she can walk the walk, and she can do both. No, effortlessly and making it look very, very good. So that for me was a big revelation. Not because I didn't expect it, but because I always give it to whoever I'm going to be with to introduce themselves to me. Kasi, for example, this version of Isa may not be the same version na na-meet ng ibang tao before.
Oh,
But
definitely.
I cannot look at Isa the same way other people met her before. I have to look at Isa now kung kailan ko siya nakikilala. And that's the Isa I know.
And vice versa. Ha? Vice versa din.
So I always honor the seasons of people. And for Isa, I love the version that I'm meeting. I love the version that I would meet occasionally before. But this one for me, maswerte ako that nakilala ko si Isa at a time in her life na everything is abundant for her. Her love life, her family life, her career. I'm so excited na naging parte ako ng journey na ito ni Isa. Perfect timing na.
Thank you, Jim. I think
Pwede ba ako?
yan. Pero, alam mo, thank you, Dimples. You're also meeting me at a time na life has taught me a lot of lessons. You know, I've been humbled, I've been taken up and down and around and around. I've made mistakes, I have been hurt, I have hurt others. And so I've grown so much, especially after naman ibang growth din ng pagiging nanay. So, and I'm also very fortunate to cross paths with Dimples at this point in her time, in her life, no? Na ang dami nga rin namin pinagdaanan. I'm sure there is a lot that are similar that we haven't even spoken about, di ba? Na yung just knowing that we have survived a lot of things is I think that's where the big respect comes from. That we are both survivors and I'd like to think we're both thriving in our lives. Again, I say this with all humility, but I am thriving because I have failed. Yeah. And I'm sure in your life you have also been humbled and in different ways. So kaya kami nandito ngayon. And yun yung version na nakilala namin. But at the same time, we both know how to have fun. And I've discovered na meron pa palang mas mataas ang energy sa akin. Pero depende kasi minsan tatahimik din naman si Dimples. Pero pareho kami manandal talaga. That is certain.
Nakahanap kami na
Katapat. And
Kasi
so,
Ivan din, nakahanap ka ng katapat, no?
and then, so yung ano lang, masarap na nakilala namin ng isa't isa.
Ako na lang, last na last.
Ikaw yung ba ay gustong magtanong?
Ayun lang, okay lang. Sabi nga nila parang end of the movie Queen era. Medyo nag-end na when of course we all know Tita Glo died, di ba? But of course they will never be forgotten. Pwedeng sabihin na kayo na talaga ngayon ang mga new movie queen or actresses talaga of this generation na makikilala na talaga ng susunod din ng mga generation. And my second question, siguro briefly na lang, are you more excited or pressured with the showing of the Caretakers?
Sige, very briefly, ate. I don't think the queens of the movie industry will ever be replaced. Malayong-malayo. I'll speak for myself. I don't know, of course, for Ida, but ako talaga malayong-malayo. Ang I'd like to think na lang na ako para sa karera na gusto ko, I would never want to be labeled or at least dream of being a queen of anything. I just want to be the queen of my home. That's the most important one for me. So, in terms of my career, ang gusto ko lang ate ay patagalan. Yun lang sa akin. Gusto ko lang maging matagal sa industriyang to para kahit pa paano yung ibinigay binigay sa akin ni Lord na kaalaman at experience working with different queens because I got to work with Pedro as well and all the other amazing veteran actors and actresses along the way na nagpabuti ng karera ko. Ay, kahit pa paano mabigay ko naman kung maipasa ko ano yung naibigay nila sa akin. Kasi hindi man ako tatagal ng ganito, hindi ko rin sinulit yung mga patnibay nila. And the pressure or excited, I don't
feel anybody.
hindi, parang ako, kasi kanina you were saying no, in another question na parang she says yung sa pressure, she doesn't feel it. I also don't feel that pressure because I actually have 100% absolute faith on the team of Regal and Ray. I have faith that we can all do this together. As Isa would say, kami mga artista, nagawa na namin yung aming kailangan gawin. Ang trabaho namin ay umarte at iparating ang mensahe ng kwento na ito. All the others, trabaho na natin yun. And we honor the work of our teammates. So I feel no pressure. I feel very excited to tell the story of Lydia and Audrey and all the rest of the characters. And ultimately be able to affect people in ways na kagaya nga ng pelikula to, pag pinanood mo ko, pinanood ko ninyo, it will grow on you. Meron siyang pace na kakaiba. Hindi siya yung normal horror mo na mabilis. Sisigaw ka, matatakotan kayo, gano'n. Hindi. It will grow on you and it will tell you the story. At ito yung tipo ng pelikulang gusto mong paulit-ulit panoorin para mas maintindihan mo pa. Alam mo yung feeling ng pagkain na alam mo masarap pero hindi mo makuha yung lasa. Tapos
Gusto
nainis
mo
ka
pa.
sa sarili mo dahil parang gusto mo pa yun ito yung pelikula niya natin. Gutom na siguro ko kasi may reference na ako to din. Di ba no?
Sorry,
Gutom
ano
talaga
ba
ako.
yung first question na ay?
Movie queens.
Movie quiz, yes. Yeah, sorry. Kasi nakikinig na ako dun sa last part eh. Yung pressure. So, movie queens, wow. Ay, hindi ko alam na yung sinasabi pala nila ay the movie queens are gone. Yes, alam mo yun, parang the movie queens of that generation, perhaps, but it was also a very different time. So I don't know if like what Dimple said, I agree with that. The only time I labeled myself a queen was when I became Inang Reyna.
Oo nga
Inang
naman.
Cantadia. Because I became the queen. Amihan became the queen, but I don't think of myself as a queen, except of course when you have to, but at the same time, I do think of myself as a queen, because it is a tool for me to empower myself, because that empowerment comes from within me. But see, that is a queen in my life, in our home, in my husband's life. Iba yan. But in when it comes to my work, we talked about this earlier. I am not a big fan. There is always healthy competition, and that is part of it. That's good. But I don't like having to bring down one another so that you can be the queen. I'm actually quite scared of being a queen of everything because people will want to take you down. All that power and then the responsibility of all that power. And also because of the changing landscape, there are more films, content being made. So I guess there are more queens being made. So perhaps there are just, diba? There are more of us that will command a certain sense of authority and leadership and energy and stature. Perhaps yes. Let's acknowledge that, no? Because we have worked hard. Your CV naman will speak for itself. Diba? The what you have done. But to call myself a queen, I feel is a bit too narcissistic. For me, to call myself a queen. And I've never heard anybody call me naman a movie queen. I don't know. I've never entertained the thought siguro, parang ganyan, no? Except talaga Reyna. Inong Reyna. Ako talaga. And so, like what Dimple said, I have always been in it for longevity. I would like to be like Tita Leo. I would love to act until my last breath. alam mo yun, and people sometimes say, what else do you want to do? What do you mean? I mean, of course I want business, huh? I want money. Maybe I will not be making as much. I mean, but I always would love to be an actor, whether it be in any format, but films and theater I really love. Teleseries are a little more exhausting, so I don't know when I'll be back. Kasi it really is time consuming and very exhausting. I'm not saying never. At this point lang, hindi ko pa maibigay dahil nandun pa ako sa Dea Network, exclusive contract, ayan. But, you know, I love this so much. I love that we get to call this our job. I'm very fortunate, I'm very privileged. But again, you know, it is when your talent meets the needs of the world, there lies your purpose. And as long as I feel that I can do my part and share whatever talents God has given me, then I shall continue to fulfill my purpose in this realm. As I continue to fulfill my purpose as well at home and in my advocacies. So I would love to always be here. And perhaps that's what a queen is. Yung just showing up for the work that you're doing. Actually, trabaho ang pagiging queen. Diba the queen work, Queen Elizabeth, because it's work, it's responsibility.
Pero pareho naman kasi talaga kayo true essence ng actress. There's no big or small role sa inyong dalawa. Kasi diba, hindi na lahat na actress parang kailangan laging big role. Pero kayo, you both accept. Pero nagmamarka, even like ikaw, this recent MNFF.
Thank you. Oo, kasi diba, kailangan mong sabayan ng agos ng buhay. And just, it said this, the famous Stanislavski quote that there are no small roles, only small actors. But also it's really you, what do you bring to that?
Lahat na isa yun, sagutin mo lang. Are you more excited or
Na-pressure, nakalimutan ko na sa dal-dal ko. Sorry, Ivan. Yes. Nasagot ko siya kanina, actually, when I was asked. Whenever, actually at time ni ganito, hindi ako na-pressure. Ayoko siguro i-pressure yung sarili ko kasi tapos na talaga yung trabaho ko, A. Whether or not maayos yung trabaho ko, that's a different story. Ako na lang yun, and I always nitpick by myself. So, but that's a different story. But I always do my best. So, tapos ko na yun. And then this is part of our work, promoting it. And everything else, just the prayer that it all comes together really well. Because the full faith and trust that kung saan man gustong dalhin to ng Panginoon, ay siyang doon niya dadalhin. Kasi we will only really understand how the audience will take this in once it's out in the cinemas. But what we really need help with is your support in telling people to please go to the cinemas to enjoy this cinema experience, because it really is a cinema experience. We've seen half of the film. I'm saying half kasi we're being truthful here. We've seen half of the film, and so far, for me, wow, this is something I would watch on a big screen. Kasi I tried watching it on a smaller screen, and yung iPad na to iba eh. Kailangan talaga, ito yung barkada kayo, pamilya mo, or ka-date mo. Kailangan po na kayo kasi the sound, the cinematography, everything just comes together for this film. At ano siya it's yung sinatang yung slow mo.
Yeah.
Dahan-dahan siya.
Yeah.
Dahan-dahan. So, magkape kayo ba? Para lalong matakot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
That was picture.
Marky.